Hi, how are you? Max is my name and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this short video, I'm going to be showing you 3 steps that you can take to crush it in affiliate marketing in this second quarter of 2019 and you make a lot of money. Now, the blueprint I'm providing right now is one that is used by the many six-figure income earners that are earning a lot of money online right now. Okay, so stick with me in this video. I'm going to be giving you my own funnels, my own product, my own sales material, literally for you to have a business by the end of this short video. Okay, now the first thing you have to get a high quality offer. Okay, you have to get a quality product that you can stake your reputation on. Yeah, you have to get a product where you can stack your brand. And guys, I encourage you to promote products that are of high quality that you can be proud to recommend to anyone. All right, now the second thing you have to have a high converting funnel. Okay, this is the process of getting the lead, okay, driving traffic, okay, the communication until a sale is made. Okay, your funnel has to be converting well for you to make good money. Okay, so now guys, be sure to like my video right now and stick around till the end, because I'm going to hand over to you a 6-figure business for you to start with literally today. Okay, if you want to have a business by tomorrow morning up and running, just copy and paste and upload, and then you'll have a business by morning. It's all totally free. Okay, now the third, you have to have a good value ladder. Okay, while promoting your product, you have to always give value to your customers. Okay, you have to help them improve. You have to take them through an experience whereby they are always getting value for their time and money that they spend with you. Okay, now you may be asking, why would I be wanting to give you a 6-figure business for free? Okay, why would I be doing that? Well, for one, there's what they call moving the free line. Okay, while I was beginning and I was struggling and I wasn't making any sales, one of my mentors literally just handed me a funnel, a very good funnel, a product, okay, and ways to promote it. Simply that. So now, since he did that for me, I also want to do the same for you. Okay, I want to pass on the same funnel, the same product, and the same sales materials that literally have helped me succeed in this field. Okay, I want to thank Frank, a very good mentor of mine who has allowed us to use his materials for you guys. Okay, now I want you to do 2 things. One, go to the description below and give me a like, give me a thumbs, and comment that I want the sales funnel to start. Okay, just comment anything, just comment with anything and tell me you want this free, already made for you business that can earn you money literally tonight. If you're serious, if you're ready to take the action today, you can have a multi 6-figure business ready and running by morning tomorrow. All right, so now then the other thing is, you'll go to the description, the very first link, follow it up, and then claim your free funnels and sales materials and the product for you to promote and start making money right now.